Hi, buddy. Welcome to Answers Q. Tech Mahindra is recruiting fresh graduates from the year of 2019, 2020, and 2021. So they are conducting an off-campus drive. We'll see all the details regarding this Tech Mahindra off-campus drive 2021 in this video, and we'll also be seeing how to apply for this recruitment drive. So watch till the end and get all the details regarding this. So let's get started. So this is the registration page. Once you come to this registration page, click on this button here, click here to register. Once you click on this button, you will be coming to this page, instructions and declaration for registration. So you have to go through all these instructions before you start applying for this recruitment by Tech Mahindra. So let's get started and see all the instructions given here for us. So the first one is, if you are applying for this recruitment, you should have done your education as a regular scholar from an institution that is duly approved by UGC, that is University Grants Commission, and recognized by AICTE, that is All India Council for Technical Education. So most of us will fall under this category, so no problem with that. Let's move on to the next point, which is eligible streams. So students from these streams branches can apply for this recruitment drive. Computer science, computer engineering, information technology, electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, telecom, communication, electricals and electronics, mechanical or MCA, that is Master of Computer Applications. So if you have done your education in any of these branches here, you can definitely apply for this recruitment drive in Tech Mahindra. And the next point is, you should have scored minimum of 60% in your 10th, 12th engineering degree or MCA, whatever that you have done, to be eligible for this drive. And if you have done diploma after 10th, then you need 60% in your diploma to apply for this recruitment drive by Tech Mahindra. And the next point is, this program is open only for graduates who are passed out in 2019, 2020, and for those who are going to pass out in 2021. So if you are someone who have passed out before 2019, please do not apply for this interview, because you will not be eligible. And the next important point to note here is, when we are giving our details, there will be a section for grading. So when you are giving your CGPA, you should not give it like 7.8 or 9.8. You should convert that to your percentage. As per university guidelines, you should convert that to your equivalent percentage and give it. So this is a simple point. And next detail here is, after registration, you will get your registration ID and registration PIN via your email. So this is an important point, guys. When you are giving the details, when you are giving the contact details anywhere like this in a recruitment drive, make sure that you are giving a proper phone number and a proper email ID, because those are the things which will be used for communicating with you. So when you are giving your mail ID, make sure that you are giving it correctly, because you will receive your registration ID and registration PIN through your email. Next thing is, candidates meeting the eligibility criteria will be invited for a test in about 1 to 2 weeks. So after registration, you will get a call for an online test in 1 or 2 weeks. So be ready and be prepared for an online test. And next point to note here is, if you have already appeared for any Tech Mahindra fresher recruitment drive in the past 6 months, either off campus or on campus, doesn't matter. If you have appeared for any Tech Mahindra recruitment in the last 6 months from the date of registration, you are not eligible to register for this drive, because this is something that most of the companies follow these days, because they are expecting a gap of at least 6 months between your two interviews, so that you can develop yourself. You might have changed a lot, so that's why they are having this minimum gap, 6 months. And candidates clearing the online test will be invited for the next level of evaluation. So the first step is an online test, which you have to clear. Only if you clear that, you will be moving on to the next level of evaluation, that might be an interview. So these are the instructions which you need to know before you apply for this job interview by Tech Mahindra. Now we'll see how to apply for this Tech Mahindra off-campus recruitment drive. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Hit on this subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And don't forget to visit answersq.com website to get more information about free online courses, job updates, internships, workshops, and other online events that are happening all over the world. So you can visit answersq.com for more details. So now let us get back to the content, and let's see how to apply for this Tech Mahindra off-campus drive. So once you are done with reading all these instructions, you can check this box here. I have read the instructions, and then click on this button here, click on this continue button here. So this is the registration form which we need to fill out. The first section is about personal details. So you have to give your university enrollment number, your first name, last name, your date of birth, mobile number, and your email ID. So make sure you are giving a proper mobile number and a proper email ID, because that will be used to communicate with you. So if you give anything inappropriate there, you might lose your communication with that particular company. So make sure that you are giving a proper mobile number, proper email for communication. And moving on to the next section, you should give your qualification details, like your passing year in 10th, 12th, and your engineering graduation degree. All the details like your percentage of marks that you got in which school or which university you did. So you have to fill in all the qualification details here. Just fill in whatever things that are applicable to you, like class 10, 12th, or diploma, and science graduation or engineering graduation. Just fill in whatever that is applicable to you, and then you have to enter the captcha that you see here. So in captcha code, you will see something like this, N8. So I am seeing N8Y, something like that. You will see something different. So whatever you see here in the captcha code, just type in the box given here below that. And then once you are done with that, you can click on the register button to register for this Tech Mahindra Off-Campus Drive 2021. So this is how you need to apply for this Tech Mahindra Off-Campus Drive 2021. So I hope you will find this video useful. To get more updates about free online courses, job updates, internships, and workshops, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media channels like Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.